So we've spoken before about how slow page load speed is a negative thing. So not only is it negative for your users who are on your site and trying to navigate to a page and it takes forever to load, but also Google looking to provide the best search experience, search results experience to their users are going to be hesitant to rank your page, your website highly if its pages are loading slowly, providing the users poor experience. So we know why it's important for pages to load quickly, but what causes pages to load slowly? So the easiest way to optimize your website for faster page load speed is to optimize the heavy content that's on your website. So heavy content examples might be big images. So not only big on the screen, but big in terms of file size. And generally within your content management system, you can see the file size of a particular image and then optimize that, smush it, if you will, to compress the load speed while still looking good on the front end. Other examples of heavy content would be video. So the longer the video, generally the larger the file size and the longer it's going to take to load that and display that on your site. So there are easy ways to compress images and video. Image compression could happen generally. It generally is best if you do that when you're creating the image, saving that out as a image, a JPEG, a PNG, with a compression ratio that's going to give you the optimal look for the minimal file size. And as well, video is just tough. You can compress that to a degree, but the better way to go about that is to host it on a third party like a YouTube or a Vimeo or things like that that will help your page load quickly and it will control the load speed of the video itself. Beyond content on the front end, there are some things you can do on the back end to optimize your page for faster load speed. These are some of the things that we do as a web development company. Some quick examples is pushing some of the code that is heavier to load, such as JavaScript or things like that, toward the bottom of the page, not the bottom of when somebody's looking at the page, but the way the page loads. You can push like JavaScript or heavy code to the bottom of the page so that the page loads and the code that is slower to load is going to load after the page finishes loading on the front end. A great way to check your page load speed and what is causing that page load speed to be slower than it could be is GT metrics. You're going to see a link here on the screen and you can check that, run a free assessment on your site and see what things are causing your pages to load more slowly. And if you need any help at all optimizing that, your website, your web pages for faster load speed, we can help. I'm Rob Riggs with Code Conspirators. I look forward to hearing from you.